everyone, it's Deb Stewart here, reaching out to the entrepreneurs and business owners, big or small, and sales professionals of any kind in any industry, and how I think SendOutCards can help you grow your network and grow your business and differentiate yourself. So what is SendOutCards? Well, SendOutCards is a web-based online greeting card and gift company that allows you, from the convenience of your own comfy chair, to create and send a greeting card or postcard to somebody in your network. I want you to think about your existing clients and the people that you want to say thank you to. Thank you for your business. I'm thinking about you, or happy birthday. Think about the people in your network, your colleagues and associates that deserve some type of praise or recognition, or you just want to reach out and let them know that you value them and want to build a relationship with them. Think about new clients you're having conversations with and how you can creatively keep in touch with them. Well, with SendOutCards, it allows you to do that. You get your own login ID and password, and from any computer anywhere in the world, you create a greeting card or postcard in minutes, push send, and what happens is the company prints your card, they stuff it in an envelope for you, they put a first-class stamp on it, and send it out within the next business day. So it's just a wonderfully unique and creative way to build and cement those relationships that are important to you. Now, these are not e-cards. These are physical greeting cards. Here's a couple of examples of the types of cards that we're talking about. So this is a 5x7 2-panel card. By the way, these are very high quality. They're printed on recycled paper, and they have a high gloss finish to it that protects them. What I love about the cards is you can choose from over a card catalog of over 15,000 cards, or you can create your own from scratch. It allows you to personalize the cards with photographs and your own handwriting font if you'd like. So there's one style of card. This is also a 5x7 card, 10th style, which is kind of fun. This is the card somebody sent John and I. That's us on the cover of the card, which always gets your attention when you include somebody's photograph. And here's a tip for you, by the way. When you put somebody's photograph in a card, they are not going to throw that card away. This is going to get kept in that special file folder that we have of feel-good messages. So that makes you stand out. The inside has also been personalized with a photograph and a heartfelt message. This one's really cool. This is a 3-panel card. Look at all of the space in the room you have in here for your special messages, your marketing materials, your photographs, your font. So front and back, you can put an awful lot of information in a 3-panel card like this. There's no end to the creativity for business owners. Here's a postcard that somebody sent me, which brought me a smile. It says, "I like you." You can also, instead of using a standard card like this, you can also put a photograph in the cover of a card. Here's one with a photograph. This is a photograph of John and I that I sent him for National Sweetheart Day. Kind of a cute message there. So you can fully personalize these. This is kind of cool. It's a 2-panel card, and look at all the signatures in this card. This is your typical office card where, remember how we run around and we find people's signatures when it's somebody's birthday? Well, with what I love about SendOutCards is that you can upload your own handwriting signatures. So if you're a wholesale customer, you can add 8 different signatures. So instead of running around trying to find everyone, you can just point and click and fill everybody's name in here in all the different colors that you want. So that's kind of fun. So high quality cards, and I just love the service. Let me quickly tell you how I think it will help your business. Number one, it helps differentiate you from other ways of keeping in touch. I want you to think about all of the email blasts that you get on a daily basis and all of the email blasts that you are sending out. It is awfully convenient, certainly, all of these electronic tools that we have. But the truth is, we get so many of them that really emails have become noisy. It's like background noise. I know when I go into my inbox, I am flooded with messages. And I scroll through pretty quickly, and it takes an awful lot to prompt me to get me to open an email. And that's what's happening to your emails as well. But when you send somebody a physical greeting card in the mail in an envelope that they're going to open, it's 11 times more likely to get opened than anything that you do electronically. So it helps you differentiate yourself. And no one is doing it anymore. Very few people use direct mail, and very few people send heartfelt greeting cards anymore. It stands out, which brings me to reason number 2, and that is it makes you memorable. Think of the creative ways that you can build and cement relationships. Here's an idea for you. The next time you go to a networking lunch, the next time you treat a client for lunch, I want you to take your camera with you or your phone, take a photograph of the two of you. When you get home, upload the photograph to your SendOutCard system, pop it in a greeting card and a heartfelt message thanking them for the lunch, and send it out in the mail to them. They'll get it within 2 to 4 business days, and boy, is that ever different. That's different than going back to the office and sending a quick email thanking them for the lunch. It just brings it up a notch. It's just more powerful. You do that 3 or 4 times a year. You send a card to somebody in your network 3 or 4 times a year. It makes you memorable. And the next time they're looking for somebody in your field, they're going to call you or they're going to recommend you because they will remember you. Reason number 3 that I love it is the convenience and cost. First of all, I already explained the convenience because you never have to go to another card store again. You don't have to stand there at the wall of cards and figure out which card is appropriate, then come home, fill it out, and worry about the postage and get to the post office, which is why we don't send cards in the first place, because it's online and you have it at your fingertips. And in terms of the cost, it's also very inexpensive. So this 2-panel card, actually let me show you a different one. This 2-panel card that has a photograph in it, this costs me 93 cents to create. So you just can't beat the cost of that. The next thing that I love about SendOutCards, reason number 4, it comes with a full contact manager. What I love about the contact manager in SendOutCards, it allows you to track, include a lot of information about the relationship, about the contact. So you can include their spouses' names, their children's names, birth dates, anniversary dates, key dates, and there's also a way for you to keep track of any particular notes that you want to make note of for that client as well. And it then also becomes a beautiful prompting system. What SendOutCards will do is they will prompt you 2 weeks in advance of a key date. So if somebody's birthday's in there, they're going to send you a reminder telling you, don't forget about this person's birthday. It's coming up. Send them a card today. So you'll never ever forget a key date again, which just makes you look like the thoughtful person that I know that you are. The last reason number 5 that I love SendOutCards for Business is the ability to create campaigns. So think of the times that you want to reach out to a bulk list. You can create a sub-list category within your contact manager and send out promotions or cards to the people within that list. So if you have an ongoing special, if you have sales going on, if you've got a special event that you want to promote and send it to multiple people, it allows you to do that through a campaign very quickly and easily. You create one card and then just click the list that you want to send it to, and boom, and it's done very inexpensively and conveniently. So I love that feature of it as well. So there you are, 5 quick reasons that I think SendOutCards can help you build your business, differentiate you, make you memorable, and grow your business. Now, I don't want you to take this from me. I want you to go and try it for yourself. I want you to see if it's everything that I said it was going to be. And I want you to do that with no risk. So go to my website, which is www.sendoutcards.com/DebandJohn. So www.sendoutcards.com/DebandJohn. I want you to try the service. For $9.80, you get enough points to be able to send 10 cards over 30 days. Try it for 30 days. Send cards, reach out, act on the promptings that you know you want to, build those relationships, and see what happens. And after 30 days, if you find that you haven't fallen in love with the service, if it isn't absolutely everything that I said it was going to be to you, if it doesn't come back to you in tenfold, if it's not rewarding for you, then I want you to come back to me and ask for a refund. I'm going to give you your $9.80 back if it's not everything that I said it was going to be. So there you have it. No risk, no reason to delay. Sign up today. See what it does for your business. I think that you are going to love it. Have a wonderful day. Wishing you all success.